Hi everyone, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I wanted to share with you this cute sticker book that I found at Michael's. I'd seen a couple of days ago. Someone posted that this was out there and I'd never seen it before, so I just had to go take a look. I went ahead and got one and wanted to share that with you. So it is for your stickers. There's 24 sleeves in here. Each of them have a divider down the middle, so you can put 2 packs in on each side, so each page could technically hold 4. The one thing I was surprised though about is that this is a bit smaller than I expected, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the measurements. I checked the label, the measurements aren't on it. It wasn't on the website either, so there really wasn't any way for me to know that this was going to be smaller than what my stickers tend to be. So each of the pages comes up to about almost 9 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall. And then the pages on the inside, each sleeve, each divided piece is 4 inches. So it's only going to be able to hold your 4-inch wide, approximately. This is actually probably 1/8 of an inch longer than 4 inches for each piece. But that means that if your stickers that you already have are more than 4 inches, you'll have to cut them back or you won't be able to use this. So it's 4 inches wide by about 7.25 inches tall. I do have some planner stickers that I think is going to work well. Now it is a little taller than that, so I'm just going to fold the top part back so I still have the label. Just slide them in. Actually, I'm going to slide it upside down since I'm keeping everything in the original sleeve, and this is the part that's got the opening. I may change my mind later, but that way I know how to get more if I want to. So perfect fit for those type of stickers. I also picked up on clearance some little bling, and those will fit in here too. So anything that fits into those size sleeves you'll be great with. I'm going to be keeping multiple sticker books though, because I've got lots of different types and sizes, but this is going to work good for these smaller ones that tend to be for my planners. And of course, I love the sparkle on the front, and when in doubt, just add stickers. That's just too cool. So anyway, I hope this helps you out. If you decide to get one, there are a couple of other ones available too. Please go ahead and share that with us here on YouTube so everyone else knows that that's available for them, that this may be a solution to our ever-growing sticker problem. Thanks guys, you have a great day and happy crafting!